Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start by lightly greasing the baking dish. You can use non-stick spray for this, but I do find the butter works better for this. Set it aside. Get the blueberries, measure out what's needed. A large bowl. Add the sugar, cornstarch, salt, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Toss everything together. Pour the berries into the prepared baking dish. And set aside. In a separate bowl, add the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Whisk it all together. Get your box grater. Get the frozen butter and grate it. Pour the buttermilk. Stir gently with a fork or a spatula until we obtain this shaggy dough. You can use heavy cream instead of buttermilk. Okay, this looks about right. Do not overmix. Drop spoonfuls of the dough over the blueberry filling. We don't need to cover the blueberries completely. Actually, we shouldn't. You can sprinkle some extra sugar to give them that extra crunchy finish. Just a little bit over the tops. That's perfect. And now is the time to bake. Okay, so it took exactly 40 minutes. It looks perfect. You have deep golden brown peaks with brighter looking valleys. That's perfect. And it's crispy. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Serve warm. You can reheat it as well. That's very easy. For 10 minutes in the oven, that's perfect. Get a large spoon. I hope you liked the recipe, and if you did, leave me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.